22 Blackwood Park Road, Ferntree, Gully. Charismatic family appeal with treetop vistas. Resting beyond an unassuming facade lays this spacious family home, where treetop vistas create an alluring focal point throughout the superb indoor and outdoor living zones. Welcoming beneath magnificent high ceilings, the hallway leads through to the fabulous kitchen and meal zone, incorporating stone benches, island breakfast bench and quality appliances. Extending through to the adjacent family room with attractive French doors, opening to reveal a wonderful alfresco deck complemented by cafe blinds for year-round protection. All 3 bedrooms are well proportioned. Master with built-in robes and ensuite, supplemented by a family bathroom with toilet and separate laundry. While outside, avid gardeners will enjoy space for fruit trees, vegetables and even an easy care lawn for the children, overlooked by a delightful bungalow workshop with veranda, complemented by quality extras including ducted heating, evaporative cooling, abundant underdeck storage, plus driveway parking for multiple cars, occupying a terrific approximately 727 square metre allotment within close proximity to St Joseph's College, St John Primary, excellent shopping facilities, trains, reserves and major arterials.